If your Freecash redemption history shows the wrong status, missing details, or a reward that does not look correct, the first fix is checking the transaction details before creating a support request. By the end, you'll know how to check the issue, what information to collect, and what steps to take when your redemption history does not match what you expected. Start by opening your Freecash account and reviewing the redemption entry that looks incorrect. Check the reward type, status, and any available details connected to that transaction. A history entry can look wrong when the status has not updated yet, or when you are viewing incomplete information. The first section is checking the basics. Confirm that you are signed into the correct Freecash account, because reward history is linked to the account where the activity happened. If you use multiple accounts or different login methods, compare the account details before assuming the history is missing. Next, collect the information needed to explain the problem clearly. Take screenshots of the redemption history page and save any details related to the reward. Include the date of the redemption, the reward name, and the issue you are seeing. Clear details make it easier for support to understand what happened. The second section is handling delayed or incorrect information. If a redemption entry looks different from what you expected, avoid submitting multiple requests for the same issue because duplicate requests can make tracking the problem harder. Keep your information organized and use one clear support request with the relevant details. If the problem continues, contact Freecash support through the available support options in your account. Explain what the history shows, what you expected to see, and attach the screenshots that show the difference. A specific explanation is more useful than a general message saying the history is wrong. The third section is preventing future confusion. Keep records of important redemptions when you complete them, especially if the reward involves waiting for processing or review. Checking your account history regularly helps you notice problems earlier. To summarize, check the correct account first, collect clear proof of the incorrect redemption history, and send support a detailed explanation if the issue remains. Your next step is to open the redemption entry, review every detail, and prepare the information before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix your Freecash redemption history issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.